Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with, actually I just downloaded a video, but I guess I'm on kind of a roll tonight, so we're just going to keep rocking with it, and we're going to do one more set. This is the Sugar Bubbles 08 plate, and it's got a bunch of beautiful Christmas images. And I just want to apologize. The last video I just uploaded, it's a new phone, so I think I pulled it a little too close and zoomed in, and I kept going over to the right. I do have a habit of doing that, but with this phone it's wider because it's the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and I have it opened up. The thing is when I crop it, or not even crop it, when I edit it and I download it, it takes off some, so when I can see it when I'm looking, when I'm doing the nails, it shows in the video, but when it gets downloaded, it gets taken off. So like when I'm over here doing it, like say I'm painting right here, it's showing it, but I always have to remember to be over now a couple inches or so. So I apologize for that, I should have just kept it up when I had it in the beginning. But let's just get down to this. So the nails I painted, some of them already got foil glue on them. The silver, I believe, was a jade polish silver. This blue was, a couple of these I already had painted that I didn't use from previous times that I changed my mind. This one right here, though, is a Nicole Diary, and it's mint, the spring series, NDS04. This white is just, I just used my Mundo DeUnas white. And the red, I just painted these with stamping polishes. This one is just the BeautyBigBang 006. Yeah. I was thinking it was 009, but it's 006. So next, I'm just gonna go in. Oh, I did get one started, so that's how it looks. This image right here, I just stamped it in BeautyBigBang's gold, or is it Nicole Diary? Hold on. No, it's BeautyBigBang gold. And then I just colored in the berries red and the rest of this green. So now I'm just going to stamp it onto this nail right here, and I know it's not going to be long enough, so I'm probably going to have to extend it a little bit. Oh, here, let me get in focus. Oh, that is so pretty. And what I'm gonna do is, because as you see there, it wasn't long enough, I'm just gonna take my detailing striping brush or whatever here, just gonna kind of go up that way with it. So yeah, I like that. So here's how that came out. Oh, let me fix that. I think I had a little bit of black on my brush there. So we're just gonna kind of brush over that a little bit. So there we go with that. Super pretty. I like that. So I'm going to do the rest of these nails. So sit back, enjoy. I will be back to talk to you guys when I am all done.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about. chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Okay guys, so here is the set of nails that I did with this plate. So we got, let me see here, let me bring this a little bit closer, and here we go, get focus there. So we got Santa's jacket, which I did matte. We got the Grinch. Ooh, did I don't think I top coated him. So you know what? Let me top coat him real fast. I could have swore I did, but I guess I didn't. So let me top coat him, which I'm going to do matte. I really love the Grinch, how he came out too. Did any of you guys get the Kylie Jenner? I guess that she has her new like Grinch makeup kit launch. It's got like a lip kit, the eyeshadow kit. I watched Nikki Tutorials in Time the Infamous's review on it. From what I've seen, it's a little chalky, lots of fallout like her makeup always has. And I don't know, I just think it's more like iconic than anything. You know, you're buying it because it's the Grinch, it's a holiday set. I think you could probably get better for cheaper. That's just my opinion. Don't get mad if you bought it and you love it. It's just my opinion. But, yeah, I just seen, you know, Nikki Tutorials is good at doing her makeup, and she was having issues when she did the green side with it being a little chalky, and there was a lot of fallout, which maybe that's something she has to work on in the future. Okay, our thing. Just a little talk while this was curing. So, there we go. So, I did him matte. And then this says the Grinch on it, and he's holding his little Christmas bulb, the little hand. Then, if I would have cut his arm out, that would have been cute, right? It would have been looking like his arm came out from that side. So anyway, then here, I did this one matte also. I did the snowflakes first, and then while this was drying, then I did her, and I waited. So while this was drying, I did the snowflakes. Then I stamped that on. I had already did this one before I started, but I did that one on a shiny top coat, and I did this one a shiny top coat. And I just put some hollow in there, and then went over it with white. And then I just did his head, and his head white, and then his scarf and some of his hat blue. And then, as you see, the scarf gold and the top of his thing yellow. So it's supposed to be like his body, the snowflake. So we got the like what is this called, mistletoe type leaf flower here. We got Santa's jacket, we got the Grinch, we got the snowman, and we got the girl with the snowflakes. So this was such a cute plate, and I had no problem picking it up. I did use my point stamper that works on everything. I think I'm gonna have to get another one though, because it is so cloudy. It's horrible. And then I got a couple indents on my other clear ones here. I am so careless with some of these jelly ones. You know what it is? I take it sometimes when it won't like come off, and instead of me grabbing a roller and kind of just, I have a habit of like taking my nail and rubbing it. I gotta stop doing that. But anyways, tell me what you guys think. I really like these. I think they came out super cute. And I have to find my cotton claw. I don't know where I set it, you guys. I think I either set it on the table or up in my like nail pile thingy, like here. I gotta clean out, and I'm just not in the mood to do it, so I am just going to take my tweezers here for a minute. Clean this, but I think this plate was super cute. And this again is the Sugar Bubbles 08 plate. So here's how it looks. Got a bunch of Santas and snowmen. I didn't use that one. I did use these, which those are super cute too. I didn't use these two. The Nightmare Before Christmas, and then this skull with the candy canes. And I didn't use these icicles here. But I did use the rest, so yeah, tell me what you guys think. I thought they came out really cute, really like the images, and everything worked out great. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. You like this, stay safe, and I hope to see you guys back real soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.